Welcome students, welcome to the lecture series on polarization, which is a part of your module optics. So in this class we are going to discuss about calcite crystal. What is special about calcite crystal, the construction of a calcite crystal, what is optic axis and many more. So what is calcite crystal? So Iceland spar is a transparent variety of calcite which is CaCO3. So this is a special kind of calcite. So when this crystal is struck, it is seen that it breaks obliquely in three different planes, forming a rhombohedral body. This operation of breaking a crystal across definite planes is known as cleavage, and it has 6 parallelograms as faces. So this is the example of calcite crystal. It has 6 faces, and when you break a calcite crystal, it breaks into some specific geometrical design, and these angles are fixed. See, this is 71 degree, this is 78.5, 78 degree 5 minutes, 101 degree 55 minutes, and like this. So when you struck a calcite crystal or a Iceland spar, it breaks, it automatically breaks, means it is a natural phenomena, into this kind of shape having this specific angle. Okay. So what is optic axis? So along this direction there is no double refraction. So along this direction your E ray and your O ray has same velocity. And remember, optic axis is a direction, not a line. Okay. So optic axis is a direction. So here you see, this is your optic axis. So a plane containing the optic axis and perpendicular to the opposite refracting faces is the principal section. So we get another term which is called principal section, and there are infinite number of principal sections. And in this figure, AC1 A1 means this space is the principal section. So this is your optic axis and this is your principal section. So this is the direction from where actually your light goes in. So again you see an imaginary line passing through any of the two blunt corners and bisecting them give the direction of optic axis. So if you bisect this corner, you will get the direction of optic axis, and along this direction there is no double refraction, and your E ray and O ray has same velocity along the optic axis. So again, this is your Iceland spar or calcite crystal, and this face is your principal section, and bisecting of this is your optic axis. And we usually take your light goes on like this, and after this there is double refraction, and along optic axis there is no double refraction. So depending upon optic axis, we can categorize the crystal in two terms. One is uniaxial, one is biaxial. So crystals having a single optic axis is called a uniaxial. So there is example is calcite, quartz, like this. And crystals having two optic axis is called biaxial crystal, like mica, lead oxide, like this. So what we have learned from this class? What is calcite crystal, the construction of calcite crystal, and what is optic axis, principal section, uniaxial crystal, biaxial crystal. That's it. Thank you.